Hello everyone, my name is Nilanjan Chatterjee and today we are going to discuss the 1924 Belgaum Session of Indian National Congress and Gandhi's leadership and vision. The 1924 Belgaum Session of the Indian National Congress, held from 26th December to 28th December, occupies a unique place in India's freedom struggle. Presided over by Mahatma Gandhi, this was the only Congress session chaired by Gandhi, underscoring its historical significance. Organized in Belgaum, which is currently known as Belagavi in Karnataka, the session symbolized Gandhi's ability to mediate ideological divides, integrate social reform into the political movement, and rally mass support for Swaraj, that is self-rule. So, to underscore the context and background of Gandhi's presidency in Belagavi, we have to acknowledge the fact that by 1924, the Indian National Congress faced internal ideological rifts. The Swarajists, led by Motilal Nehru and Chittaranjan Das, sought to participate in legislative councils to challenge British policies from within. On the other hand, the No-Changers, including Gandhi himself, emphasized non-cooperation and other constructive works. Gandhi, known for his humility and emphasis on collective leadership, initially resisted calls to assume the presidency of Belagavi. Now, the key themes discussed in the Belagavi session of Indian National Congress were, on one hand, reconciliation of ideologies. Gandhi's leadership in Belagavi helped to bridge the gap between the Swarajists' pragmatic legislative strategies and the No-Changers' commitments to grassroots activism. Point number two, the constructive work as a pillar of freedom. In his presidential address, Gandhi emphasized the critical role of constructive work, including khadi production, village industries, and education. These were considered to be the foundational ground for Indian independence, according to Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and he argued that these efforts would foster self-reliance, combat economic exploitation imposed by the Britishers, and prepare Indians for self-governance. Now, the third point is social reforms. That is another important issue discussed in the Belgavi Congress. Gandhi highlighted the intertwined nature of political freedom and social justice. He called for the removal of practices like untouchability and upliftment of marginalized communities. He also spoke for communal harmony between Hindus and the Muslims. These themes reflected his conviction that Swaraj was incomplete without social transformation and mobilization. Now, the fourth point that we want to discuss is the unity and discipline. Gandhi stressed the need for Congress members to transcend personal ambitions and factions, which was very important because he also urged unity and disciplines as prerequisites for achieving independence. A reconsideration of the non-cooperation agenda was also proposed, which seemed to have ended in 1922 after the incident of Chharan. Point number 5, the grassroots reorganization. Proposing decentralization within Congress, Gandhi encouraged greater engagement with rural India. This particular strategy aimed to make the Congress a truly representative body capable of mobilizing the common masses, the grassroots people. Point number 6 was the involvement of Gangadhar Rao Deshpande. Being a close ally of Gandhi, Gangadhar Rao Deshpande played a pivotal role in organizing the session at Belgavi. Known as the Lion of Karnataka, Deshpande mobilized the local resources and ensured the session's success. His efforts reflected the grassroots ethos that Gandhi championed. Emphasizing the importance of regional leaders in the nationalist movement. Particularly in this instance, Gangadhar Rao Deshpande became a face of regional leaders of Indian National Congress, particularly in terms of Gandhian politics. Now we are going to talk about the reception and adulation of the Belgavi session of 1924. Gandhi received a hero's welcome at Belgaum. symbolizing his growing stature as a moral political leader. Okay. Streets were decorated with arches and banners and thousands of admirers, including men, women, and children. And to be very specific, it had a very prolonged legacy and significance, as the Belgaum Session marked a turning point in India's freedom struggle. It consolidated Gandhi's leadership and reaffirmed the political importance of non-violence resistance and, the other forms of non-violent activities, and also integrated social reforms and political activism. Now we have come to the concluding part. The 100th anniversary of Belgaum Session in 2024 is being celebrated nationwide. The restored Belgaum Congress Hall now serves as a memorial, while seminars, cultural programs, and reenactments highlight its enduring significance. Leaders and scholars are reflecting on Gandhi's vision, emphasizing its relevance to contemporary India. By blending moral imperatives with political strategies, the 1924 Belgaum Session remains a cornerstone in the history of India's freedom movement, exemplifying Gandhi's visionary leadership and unifying power of his ideas. Thank you very much.